Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome to my studio in Los Angeles. I'm here to talk to you about the spine twist on the mat, one of my favorite, and something that is tricky for a lot of people, especially if you have tight quads, tight hip flexors, or a tight lower back. So the spine twist, it is one of our, I think it's our last twist actually on the mat, and it's going to require the most flexibility and strength. So you had your crisscross, right, which is like nice and warming you up. You had your saw, which if you took out the bend is really the spine twist, but that bend helps stretch your back, so that way when you get to the spine twist, you have more mobility back here. You had your corkscrew, that really helps massage your spine at all the angles, okay? So you're ready for the spine twist when it comes. Now, I don't necessarily like to prop people up to help them get into this position better, because you just get better at being propped up. I would highly recommend doing other exercises to help stretch this out, strengthen your stomach, and open up the front of your hips by strengthening your seat. Something I had to do for a long time that actually was very helpful was just turning out my legs and squeezing that way. So I had less quad and more activated seat to get me in this position. The other thing is sometimes we tend to sit too far forward, or we sit way too far back. You're just actually trying to be shoulders over hips. You take your arms wide, keep them suspended from underneath. Think like the old Gaelic bridges, not the San Francisco suspension bridge. And then as you twist, you go as far as nothing changes. So I'm not going to shimmy my feet past each other. I'm going to go as far as I can, keep squeezing my legs down and together. Then, without pulsing back, I'm actually just going to go further and further. Center, other side. Twist as far as I can. Twist a little more and a little more. Center. So it's not an old sprinkler. It's a twist, and then just keep bringing out the waist. And just keep bringing out the waist. It is so good. You're really going to feel your inner thigh. You're going to feel your seat. And it's going to help you get into your jackknife, where you need these guys to stick together as you go over and up in space. So I really hope you give spine twist a good whirl. It is fun to go from spine twist to saw to spine twist to saw, just to challenge yourself. But if you are also needing help with this, go onto your stomach massage twist and notice what your feet do when you're pushed against the springs. Does one knee bend? Does one heel drop? If you're doing anything over on the reformer, you're doing it here on your mat, it'll just reveal itself easier over there. It's hard for us to see with the back of our head. I'm Lesley Logan. For more videos from me, make sure you subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.